Welcome to Projects by Fran. So let's get straight to it. You would need the beads of your desire. I like these beads. These are actually leftover from previous project. I'm holding a coil, very thin coil, to string the beads together. You would need a lock as well. This is not a typical twist lock. This is a magnetic lock, which is pretty convenient. You'd also need a stopper beads. This is going to hold the beads together and the lock as well. String in the stopper bead first and then the other pair of the lock. Then loop it into the stopper bead. So you would need a long nose pliers to flatten your stopper bead so it keeps the lock in place. Cut the excess coil, or you can just insert it into the beads. And we're almost done. You may do the same procedure in locking the bracelet in, but I usually put a stopper first before I put in the other pair of the lock. And we're finally done. The next thing I'm gonna show you to complete the glow up look is to teach you how to make a pair of earrings. These materials you can buy at your favorite online shop, I'm sure. classic and simple. Yay, we're done. Now your glow up look is complete and will look pretty in your virtual meetings. I usually make my own accessories when I attend special occasions, like this one. Now showing you a few more earrings that I made before. These are really easy to make. You can make one for yourself too and show me your glow up look. Thanks again for your time. You are beautiful. Godspeed.